See what happens, pal. Oh, there it goes.
Hands off right there.
Really? Well, I didn't have too much problem when I went around twice. It was when I brought it in I had my problem.
Yeah. Look at that. I'm not touching it.
No way.
No. It's got a little bit to the right, but not bad.
I wonder if that's that adjustment there, that little bend by my light.
I just gave it 2 clicks and it stopped.
Cool.
Yeah.
Looks nice, huh?
Pretty. Seems to be climbing a little bit. Oh, that's nice and stable. You're going to enjoy this one. Not bad at all.
Man, that looks nice.
Yeah. As long as you stay above the trees.
Yeah. As long as I get my landing, that's my problem.
Just a matter of getting used to the stall speed.
I tried to land it like my Cub, and then I
Yeah.
didn't hurt enough.
The club doesn't stall as easy.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Nice.
Alright, I don't see anything wrong with this, Tom. You'll be able to fly this real good.
Cool.
Now, do you want me to land and take it, or do you want to take it from here? I'll bring it in and land it, and then you can take off if you like.
Yeah, maybe I better.
Take off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Should I try it while it's hot? Let me try it while it's hot.
Okay. You've got lots of power.
Yeah.
Okay, comfortable right there, going away from us?
Yeah.
Everything's smooth and you got no problem. Keep it above the trees. Keep it above the trees. Don't get down because you're over.
Oh,
So you're absolutely sure that you're in the boundaries. Don't let it go below the trees.
looking good.
Nice, huh?
Go with it. There you go.
Nervous as hell. Oh, yeah. If you want me to land it, just let me
Yeah,
know. But get it some altitude
I'd rather-
before you hand it to me. That's
Yeah.
all. I've seen too many mistakes when they're close to the ground. You can't recover them.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, Jim.
Just level it.
Good? Yeah, thanks, Jim.
No problem,
Man, that was fun. Nervous, though.
Now we'll see what the stall speed is, or the landing speed. It's going to be a little faster than the Cub.
Yeah, I understand that now.
Oh, that's pretty.
Nice one. No
There you go,
problem.
sir.
Thanks, Jim, very much. Appreciate it.
Not a problem, man.
That's nice.
Yeah. You probably got enough to take it off again if you want to, but it's up to you.
I'm going to wait, let my heart